Good morning, everyone. It is currently the... Oh, come on, Fitbit. Good morning, everyone. It is currently the 27th of January, 2017. What have you done? What have you dropped? Oh, don't drop that. Ah! It's on my leg. It's in your bra. It's in your bra. Look what you've done to my leg. Look at this. You see this? You see this?
Any excuse to get your crotch in the camera.
Oh, well, you know me. Good morning, everyone. It is currently the 27th of January, 2018. I've done a segment now 3 times saying good year. I've done a segment now 3 times saying Happy New Year and hope you had a Merry Christmas, but I've not put it in any vlogs. So, you know what? I'm just going to give up now. I think it's too late, isn't it? Is it too late?
It is.
Today we've got up and we have driven here to Bristol because we have come to the place of all places. Let me get off my steering wheel. IKEA! Daisy's never been to IKEA before.
I'm so excited. It sounds like the place.
I'm gonna have some meatballs. It's gonna be the best day ever. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
So,
I forgot the bag.
What do you mean you've got the bag? You mean the bag that I packed all my stuff in for the day? And my purse, we can buy your bloody meatballs.
I'm gonna have to have a look in the boot.
God's
100% has been forgotten.
Ollie!
That's what your money is out.
You're such a knob.
Chatting, Daisy. Chatting.
We're going in.
2 minutes into the IKEA experience, and Daisy's already having a meltdown.
I'm just so excited. I love it here. What's for dinner, darling?
Would you like a cup of tea or... I don't know what that accent was.
Look out the smile. Oh my god, it's printing.
Printing?
Yeah.
Where's it printing to?
I don't know.
What?
I love myself.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is my stash.
Leave this where it rightfully belongs. Now I'm an art piece, Daisy.
You're so beautiful.
Daisy, what time is it?
Lunchtime!
No, more specifically.
Meatball time!
Meatball time. We're here at IKEA. IKEA meatballs. It's time. It's actually time. Just finished the IKEA meatballs. Daisy, how were they?
They were so delicious.
Any further comments?
No.
Let's continue with the IKEA-ing.
What a nice kitchen.
Yeah, but it's not as nice as this kitchen. This is what we should have.
That's what I'm thinking abroad.
This chair has got the best wheel action of any chair I've ever been on.
Off you go. Review?
Fantastic. I know I use this reference a lot, but it's hour 4 and I feel like Ben Fogel in Iceland or something. I'd say the best part about IKEA is these travel aids. Actually, that's wrong. The meatballs are the best part. The second best part is these travel aids. I'm not sure what's going on with the sky right now, but it's like completely purple.
It's like really lilac. How weird is that?
Just finished at IKEA. Daisy, how was it?
So good. Would recommend, even though everyone else in the world has been. Love it.
Look at this big blue box. Oh, I love it so much. Tell you what was incredible, the meatballs. Daisy, highlight of the day, go.
Ooh. Oh, the little showrooms. Love it.
Oh, the little showroom. Look at this sky right now. What is going on? Anyway, we're now going to drive home. So we got back from IKEA like an hour ago. That's a lie. We literally just got back. Got back to IKEA about 10 minutes ago, and this is sort of the end of the vlog. I think I'm going to start doing vlogs more, maybe. I don't know. What do you think, Daisy?
Definitely.
Definitely, 100% it's going to happen. Please go follow me on Instagram. My name is Ollie is outside. I had Ollie outside, then I changed it back to Ollie Bowern, and then someone stole Ollie outside, so now I have Ollie is outside. Links in the description below. Also, I think I'm going to start doing some more music stuff on my music channel, so if you don't go subscribe there, please go and subscribe there. Anything else, Daisy?
No.
Have a lovely evening.
It's the final countdown.